In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas for dryer vent options. You have rebuilt this dryer vent system on the outside of my mobile home because the other one just rotted out from water wear and everything. First thing I did is I got this system right here. If you have a problem with rodents, birds, rats, squirrels, you're worried about them getting into your house, I have this vent system. You see it right here. Bought it at Home Depot, I believe. You got your little screen to keep your rodents out. It's easily removable. Easy to clean and just snaps on. Then you have your flapper. And then you have your metal pipe in there, which I already connected. It was longer, but I cut it to size, so I'll show you that in a little bit. So my other options, I bought a whole bunch of different stuff because I don't want to go back to the store each time because I didn't know exactly how I wanted to design it. But these were by the dryer vent stuff, but they're the wrong size. These are 6-inch. What you need, don't forget these ring clamps. They're 4-inch, or on the label they say 4.5-inch or 114 millimeters, but they call them 4-inch right here. 4-inch metal gear clamp. So this thing's pretty cool. I never didn't end up using it, but if you twist this around, try to do it with one hand. You twist it around. It has 4 different sections, and you twist it. It'll go into 4 different angles. I think it'll do up to 90 degrees. It depends on how you twist it, or you can it can become straight. Let me just twist it off camera here a second. So it can effectively almost come straight. Just twist each of these sections and that'll work. And you notice you have one uncrimped end, I call it female end, and one crimped end, a male end. All these, here's a hardened but flexible metal tube. You don't want to use the soft aluminum. It's like foil type thing. I heard that's against some building codes, but this is more rigid, but it will bend. Here's a similar thing, but smaller. Here's a real big one. You have to do long distances. I never did end up using this, but it comes with, don't forget the ring clamps. This one comes with ring clamps. So, I'm gonna stick this back in the house. As you see, I got another piece in there I'm gonna show you. This is a little tricky to stick in the house, but I'll try it. Very tight tolerances. Sit down the camera, sit down the camera. I did not cut my fingers once so far, but so that's just going to slide in real tight. Of course, I got to paint these surfaces a little later. I'm just here to show you the different options for your vent. So let's go inside. I happen to have my dryer on a rolling platform I made. I just hate pushing and pulling it. Okay. So now you got your vent. Here's the other piece I wanted to show you that I did not show you. Okay, sorry for that interruption, but I have that piece that was coming from the outside. You can see it. I tried to hook the dryer vent this is almost the same type of material. It's pretty rigid. It's not that foil stuff, and it's not the vinyl. Don't use either one of those. I heard against code. But this is somewhere in between, maybe a little bit less rigid than that one outside, it seems like. But anyways, when I hooked it all up, that's what I got. Now the most critical piece of this whole system, I tried to hook this dryer up directly to that vent, but it didn't work. So this is a real critical piece that I didn't show you yet. It was about this long, had the female end over here, the smooth end, and then it had this crimped end. The crimped end, this rounded end is about 4 inches diameter. This crimped end makes it a little less than 4 inches. So when you go to hook up your, I'm going to put this in here, but I'm not going to show you that part because it's a little difficult. But it slips right over this 4-inch part, and that's a little bit of a challenge too, because this is 4-inch and that's 4-inch. So you have to kind of cut your metal a little bit, put little cuts in the end of that metal and bend it down a little bit. And you're going to slip this piece over, and then this will easily go onto here, relatively. Of course, I'm going to have it where it barely gets on there. So there you go. So that's going to easily fit in. All the harder part is where you got to try to do the 2 round circles together, and the 2 females. But it will work, but it's tougher. So once this gets into the hole, let's push the dryer over there. So it's going to be like that, and this will be a lot easier to tighten up with your vent. Well, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Sorry for those little blank parts, but I'm not that good at editing. Thank you.